Okay, the class list module is located at this district classes, and on the home page, I have this classes widget here, which is just this class list widget. So all this does is it lists every single classroom that has been created in Cyberschool, and those are available in this class manager here. Um, it's pretty simple. We're going to have categories and classes. So let me go ahead and drag over a new category. I'm going to call this training category. All right. And it's not going to populate in this classes module or this class list widget until I give it a new class. So I'll drag this over and drop it right there. And I'll say training category. Oops, training classroom, excuse me. Training classroom. Okay, so you can do it this way through the class manager in the site config, or you can use the classroom wizard with this add classroom here, or this add class here. Um, watch the classroom wizard video to learn how to do that. But now that I have this training classroom here, let me go ahead and refresh this classroom module. Here's the category, here's the classroom, and the teacher of the classroom as well. And then on the home page, there's the category, the classroom, and the teacher of the classroom. So that's how the classroom module works by listing all the classrooms that have been placed into this class manager.